Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you guys how to install a wig without any glue, because this right here is a glueless install, so I can literally just lift it and remove it, but then at the same time it still looks, I don't know, it still looks like I've laid it down with glue, in that it just, I don't know, it looks very naturally and well laid, if I do say so myself. Anyway, this wig is from Ririhair, so shout out to them for partnering up with me on this video. It's a really gorgeous unit. I'm gonna link it down below so that you guys can check it out, just in case you want to get yourself a similar wig. I love the color of this wig. Oh my god. And then look at the way the curls on it are popping. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to install your wig without glue. Mainly what you need is the elastic band. This particular unit from Ririhair, and actually all the units usually come with a band already, but you can also install your own elastic band. The other thing you'll need to do is to adjust the straps at the back. If your wig has adjustable straps, this one does have adjustable straps, because if you're doing a glueless install, you want the unit to fit you so well that there's no like lifting on the sides. You want it to actually just fit you perfectly. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm not really gonna be talking much, actually at all, but you guys will be able to follow step by step. Okay, so there we have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on anything that might not have been clear, just leave them for me in the comment section down below. This unit was really easy to install gluelessly, but most units nowadays are coming like pre-done for you. The baby hairs are done for you, more or less everything is done for you. So all you need to do is to adjust the straps, adjustable straps, put in an elastic band or use the one that's already there, throw on the wig, and you're good to go. This is for anyone who's scared of using glue, doesn't have glue, is worried that glue will rip off their edges. You can always install your wig gluelessly and it will still be 100% secure. So once again, thank you to Ririhair for partnering up with me on this video. I've put all the details for this hair in the description box down below, so just go ahead and check that out in case you want to purchase this unit or any other unit from them. Bye guys.